Have you ever wondered why some people seem to have a knack for growing wealth, while others struggle? It's not always about the amount that lands in your bank account or the size of your inheritance. The key lies in understanding the psychological aspects of money. Imagine money as a language, one we all speak, but few of us truly understand. Now, imagine a book that helps decipher this language, The Psychology of Money. This book, my friends, is a treasure trove of insights into the fascinating world of money and our relationship with it. It delves deep into the irrational financial behaviors that we often exhibit. Behaviors that are driven more by our emotions and biases than by logical reasoning. It's like peeling an onion, each layer revealing a new dimension of our complex relationship with money. The secret isn't necessarily in earning more, but in understanding more about money and our behaviors around it. Now, let's dive into the key points from The Psychology of Money. This book offers a fresh perspective on wealth, emphasizing that it's not just about earning more, but about understanding and managing our financial behaviors. One of the main points it highlights is the significant role that luck and risk play in our financial lives. It's not always the smartest or the hardest working who become wealthy, sometimes it's the luckiest. And when it comes to risk, the book suggests that understanding its relationship with reward is crucial. Another key insight is the concept of saving money is making money. In a world obsessed with quick profits, the book reminds us that saving and investing wisely can have a more significant impact on our financial health in the long run. The book also brings to light the importance of long-term planning over short-term gains. It encourages us to think of wealth as a marathon, not a sprint, and to make decisions that will benefit us in the long term rather than seeking immediate gratification. Lastly, it talks about the difference between being rich and being wealthy. While being rich is about flaunting money, being wealthy is about financial security and freedom. Remember, wealth isn't just about making money, it's about making the most out of the money we have. So, what can we take away from The Psychology of Money? It's clear that understanding the psychological aspects of money is crucial. We've learned about the role of luck and risk, the undeniable value of saving, and the importance of long-term planning. We've also discussed the distinction between being rich and being wealthy. Grasping these concepts can be a game changer. With a better understanding of these concepts, you can begin to change your relationship with money and make it work for you. Before we wrap up, we'd like to remind you that if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Your engagement not only supports us, but also helps spread financial literacy to others. Remember, knowledge is power, and sharing it is empowering. So let's continue to grow this community of financially savvy individuals together. Thank you for your support, and we look forward to bringing you more videos that can help you improve your relationship with money.